Good morning, y'all. I don't ever want my vlogs to become too repetitive, you know, but at the same time I want my vlogs to always be very accurate and authentic and just transparent and honest. And honestly, when we launch bricks, this is all we do. So yesterday we spent packaging up the final ones. Today we're gonna spend packaging them up to ship, like the shipping labels and whatnot. And that's just how it is. So hopefully the vlogs don't get annoying or anything, but this is what happens behind the scenes.
What's up?
What's happening up in here?
Signing some cards. I'm packaging in 2 weeks. Signing my life
Signing
away.
some cards. Look at all these 2-week orders. That's what I'm talking about. By the way, y'all, this is what it looks like with a brick in there. And again, these aren't in stock yet. This is just a prototype. That's what they're going to look like. But if you got a brick this launch, it's gonna look like the normal. Hand me a normal one. If you haven't seen them yet, thank you, Kayla. It's just a black bag with a label over top. So we're gonna upgrade. Here you are. Thank you. Alright, y'all. We got our little hand-signed stickers. Have the Keto Brick sticker with our signatures on that. This is what we had the last time. We're running a little bit short on these. It's gonna be close. Hopefully everybody gets one. I think everybody will, but it will be close. So each order gets one of these. And then I wrote about it in the email that went out, but we did like a little collaborative thing with Ballistic Keto, with the folks over at Keto Evangelist. And basically, if you ordered a Keto Brick, you get 20% off your order with their MCT powder. I really love Keto Evangelist, the whole crew. Like, they let me speak at KetoCon before I had much of an audience. That was like my first break into like the keto space, like having the opportunity to speak there at that conference. So I love the folks there. They've done so much for me, and I'm just trying to pay it forward and do like a little collaborative work with them. So check them out. Awesome people, awesome product. Each order gets one of these. Kayla, how long have you been working on packaging bricks? From when to when?
From 4 p.m. yesterday till 11:09 a.m. today.
How many hours is that?
I have math.
A lot. Don't you love being a keto bricker?
Here, I'll clock out and we'll see.
But also, please keep in mind that Kayla has been awake for like how many hours?
28
hours.
28 hours straight.
That's when you know you love your job.
18 hours and 55 minutes.
18 hours on the job?
Yes.
That's hardcore. She's a savage. The packaging crew in full force over here. Got a little circle package action going. Crystal signing. Alright, y'all. We have been packaging bricks all day long. We got them all packaged. We got it all done. Dylan's already left. He just left. Crystal, how you feeling?
Hi, hungry.
Hungry? We haven't eaten at all. Megan, how you feeling?
Hungry.
Hungry?
Tired. Hungry and tired.
Deprived.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's all bricks? All bricks? What about the side? What about the side? Oh, look at all this
there's
mess.
A nice Corey there.
What's up?
Corey's the
on
only one working still.
Oh man, that was supposed to be really cool.
Look at all that. Look at all that. Plumb full of bricks. Put the icing on top. Boom. Alright, y'all, in classic brick launching fashion, we're all going to Edwards to get some steaks to grill. What are you gonna get, babe?
Something with cheese.
Something with cheese. She's been craving cheese. Let me get some steaks.
Maybe she's thinking of him.
This one's got cleaner ingredients. I've been craving my Brussels sprouts. I don't normally go for avocado, but I'm craving some guacamole.
Yeah.
Ooh, check out the cheddar cheese curds. What you got, babe?
Queso melt.
Queso melt?
It's cheese.
It's a melted cheese. I don't know if I want jalapeno or original.
Jalapeno.
She said,
I forget.
Alright, y'all, we got the keto version. We got the guacamole with the pork rinds. And then we got the non-keto version over there. Ruffles and ranch dip.
The way that you said it was perfect.
What you got, baby?
Got my nachos.
You've been craving these.
I've been craving these for days.
What do we have? We have cheese, melted queso, salsa, and pork
I was
rinds.
gonna put like ground turkey on it or something, but I'm gonna have sausage instead.
Yeah, buddy. Crystal, what you got there? Hot dog? Sausage? Corey's rocking a steak.
Yum yum.
Yum yum. Megan, what you got?
My chicken, my burnt chicken.
Burnt chicken. Who's your cook?
You.
Kayla, what you got there?
My hot dogs. My
Those-
beef hot dogs.
Are those keto buns?
So keto. 100%.
We got my steak on the grill. Alright, y'all, the day is done. The bricks are all packaged. We spent all day, all last night. This was our largest batch yet, so we didn't get it out quite as soon as we have the previous batches, but we've slaved, we got them all packaged. We're going to the main distribution center tomorrow in all of Arkansas, so that'll speed up things quite a bit. Like, that'll kind of make up for the lost time, taking it directly to the main sorting facility. So that's what we're going to do tomorrow, and then tomorrow's Friday. Y'all be seeing this on Saturday, but we're going to go drop off all the bricks. We're going to go to the kitchen supply store, get some more supplies, and then we're going to go drive up to Jonesboro, which is where we're going to have the marathon the following day. So yeah, my lower back is still hurting really bad. I'm hoping that heals up before the marathon, but we'll see how that happens.
You have a day to rest. Or
Yeah.
a day to recover.
A day to recover. So yeah, we're tired, exhausted, but we got the bricks done. Feel good about that. And we really, really appreciate all the help that we got. We would not have been able to do it without all the help that we got. So thank you, team, for helping us.
Seriously, guys, like, we have the best team
Yeah.
that helped us out. Like, we literally would not have been able to do it without them, so.
Yeah, and then after it's all packaged, like, grill some steaks with everybody and just chill and relax. It's
Yeah.
kind of nice. So we're going to go to bed. We're gonna try and get some rest, some sleep, wake up and kill it tomorrow.